Alright guys, what is going on today? We got a lot going on. We got a couple new projects going and I can't tell you exactly what they are yet. A little bit of tuning on them so it would run properly. Before we do that, here at the MV or power chair, I gotta pull out the RAM so I can then roll this whole thing in. Alright guys, so all packed up, got all the gear right here, all strapped down. I'm about to head over to Devin's house before we run out to go pick up Joey, who's gonna be doing the tuning for us. So these are the new toys that we were talking about. The Suzuki and the Yamaha. Look at this thing, it's fucking gorgeous.
So basically the front of it is in pieces because we need the throttle cable, spring, whatever. That's why the whole throttle thing is all apart. All the pieces are literally on top of it. So the Honda, since 2001, has lasted us forever and never gave us a problem. Special Bill Balance exhaust that shoots flames. I don't know if it still shoots flames, but last time I drove it, it was shooting flames. So I don't know. All these quads need a tune up because they're really, been sitting and stuff. So we're gonna take the gas out of this. But it's mad cold outside, so I don't really know what's going to go on today exactly. We're supposed to get the gas out of this and then put new gas in it. The Suzuki is not really going to get touched today. I have to buy a clutch kit, and I also have to buy a fuel petcock for it, and then it'll be able to run. And after I do a bunch of fluid changes on it, like oil change, gas change, whatever the hell else, fluid change, it'll be ready.
It's day 2 now. It's Saturday. We're getting the quads actually tuned. I got all the stuff here to put the gas in so we can dump it out.
You sure? Yeah. Here's the gas line right here. It's just -5 degrees outside, so I feel like everything is frozen.
Everything is frozen.
And even when we try to push the quads, the wheel wouldn't even turn. Alright, we got it.
Yeah, so we're just gonna go ahead and drain it, and that's it. It's too cold to ride it.
You can't get it off like that. Fuck that. Cause I gotta do a fire shit. Hold that gas in there.
Yes, so
It was a bust.
it was a bust. What happened? No, we were just saying it's a bust. Yeah, guys, so Joey over here talking shit at me. Okay, there you go. Went sideways as fuck. This one's good. Tree. Oh, oh no. she said yes, bro. She said yes, she was going to the woods with you.
She just wanted to grab on.
Woo, woo. All right.